Mama Mo Solar kinanta ang patropiko kanta ng Bini. Mama Mo Solar, or better known Kim Young-soon, is the leader of a well-known South Korean girl group Mama Mo that consists of 4 members: Moonbyul, Win, Wasa, and Solar. It's her second time here in the Philippines and have a solo concert in Manila today, June 16, 2024, at the theater at Soler in Parañaque City. And her performance shocked and surprised sa mga manonood. She performed Patropiko, ang kanta ng Bini, while waving the pride flag. Sa mga comment section, maraming na-amaze sa pagkanta niya ng Patropiko at napawaw dahil very fluent siya sa pagkanta ng Tagalog. May nag-comment pa nga, minsan leader ng Mama Mo, minsan the 9th member ng Bini. And also nag-pray ng Solar and Bini collab soon. And also positive feedback from the Filipino fans.